Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis. Let's come to the point. Nifty sustained above 14,400 after reverse from near 14,350. So for now, if it sustained above 14,350 to 400, then most likely it moved for 14,800 to 15,000. Otherwise, below 14,350 to 400, it will sustain in between 14,000 to 14,200 zone for reverse. Let's come to Nifty chart. Finally, Nifty closed above 14,400 after reverse from its recent major support, that 14,350. So for now, as per chart formation, above 14,400 it will again try for 14,500 to 700 zone. Otherwise, below 14,350 it's most likely move till 14,000 to 14,200 for reverse. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty again closed above 32,200. So for now, above 32,500 with support of 32,200, most likely it moved for 32,800 to 33,000 zone. Otherwise, below 32,500 it will reverse from 31,900 to 32,200 zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty closed above 32,200 after reverse from its support, that 32,000. So for now, as per chart formation, above 32,200 it's most likely move for 32,500 to 32,800. Otherwise, below 32,000 it will again reverse from 31,900. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading opportunity for index future. That's are for Nifty future, there have a crucial resistance for Nifty future, that 14,686. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that are 14,546 and 14,629. There have a crucial support for Nifty future also, that 14,189. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that are 14,366 and 14,265. Same as for Bank Nifty future also, there have a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future, that 32,800. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that are 32,500 and 32,680. Same as for Bank Nifty future also, there have a crucial support for Bank Nifty future, that 31,900. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that are 32,165 and 32,000. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading stocks with trading range and midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustains above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for its higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustains below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for its reversal support with resistance as midpoint. ITC, that LTP is 217, its upper range is 250 and lower range is 200. So if it sustains above its midpoint, that 225 with increases volume, then most likely it move for its upper range or upper resistance, that 250. Same as if it sustains below its midpoint, that 225 with increases volume, then most likely it reverses from its lower range or lower reversal support, that 200. And when it reverses from its lower range or lower reversal support, then midpoint act as its recent resistance to achieve. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. ITC, that LTP is 217. Aries, that LTP is 623. Happiest Mind, that LTP is 377. Silpa Medicare, that LTP is 437. Repco Home Finance, that LTP is 261. Asian Tiles, that LTP is 295. Aarti Industry, that LTP is 1256. Aarti Industry looks very attractive for me for Monday. AU Bank, that LTP is 920. Boss Limited, that LTP is 14,765. ICICI GI, that LTP is 1550. ABB, that LTP is 1284. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint with the LTP for intraday trading. If you have any kind of query about my channel, you can mail me on my mail ID, that trade.mathematics@gmail.com is my mail ID. or you can join my Telegram channel, that link given below in video description. Please like, share and subscribe.